For more than 5 decades, the School of Architecture and Planning has engaged the City of Buffalo as a source of inspiration and a site of learning, a school shaped by and reshaping its city. Now, we're taking Buffalo's story of place, and our place within it, to the world as an invited exhibitor at the 2018 Venice Architecture Biennale. The 6-month event is the world's largest and premier exhibit of architecture and design, filling the streets of the historic city of Venice with more than 300,000 visitors from around the globe.
And the opportunity to take this kind of work, the exploration across our city that makes a difference, to a venue like Venice in the Palazzo Bello, and with 300,000 visitors over a 6-month period, is an extraordinary high. It's as good as it gets for the students. They will get an architectural education in the hundreds of exhibits that they will witness during the Biennale. They'll see themselves in that public, and they will, for the rest of their lives, know that they were in the show.
Our goal is to send 20 of our students to Venice for what will be a life-changing learning opportunity.
Venice is a city that, as architecture students, we learn about all the time. We learn about its history, and we learn about the important buildings that are there. So even just being able to go to Venice and experience that place is going to be a great opportunity for any student.
To tell its story, the school will produce a documentary-style film that captures the spirit of the school's relationship with Buffalo. Students will be involved in all phases of the exhibit, from curation and production in Buffalo to the installation and mounting of the exhibit in Venice, to workshops and a study abroad program organized around the 6-month event.
The value of having students participate both in the planning and preparation and design of the exhibition, and also following up, going to Venice and experiencing Venice in the context of the Biennale is just a great opportunity in their education, but also to work on a project that is a real-world experience.
I'm really actually in love with craft and the art of making things. So to be able to design and build something that's going to be on mission for 6 months in Italy is pretty amazing.
And I think supporting this effort only gets more students to go see other places in the world. It is very important to our discipline to go see precedents from elsewhere and really get to experience a different culture.
To reach our goal, we need your support. Let's work together to send our students to the Venice Biennale and share the story of our school and city with the world.